Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. In today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make egg masala. Today I thought of having it for lunch, so it is good to share always. So I'm sharing this recipe with you all. It's a quick and simple recipe, and it's a very good option for those who are working. You all can make it in hardly any time. So it goes very well with chapati, rice, or bread. So the first thing, we need to boil the eggs. So first we'll keep eggs for boiling. Boil the eggs for 8 to 10 minutes. Guys, first we need to chop the onion. Need to chop it finely. So guys, 4 onions I've already chopped and kept. 2 I've taken green chili, which you need to slit and keep it. Since and also one thing, you need to blend the tomato, which I've taken 3 tomatoes. I've made fine puree and kept it on the side. So now, since our eggs are already ready, we'll start with the cooking process. So friends, once you boil and peel the eggs, you need to put cuts, slight cuts on 4 sides. Slight one for all the eggs. So pan is already hot. I will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you don't prefer ghee, then you can use oil also. Just a pinch of haldi powder, a pinch of chili powder. I will add eggs to this. We'll give light color to this. Guys, if you do like this video, those who are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And also write a comment in the comment section. That's what motivates me a lot. And whenever I place a new video, you are the first person to get it. So don't forget to hit the notification bell. Guys, these are ready now. I will remove this. And in the same oil, we'll start to saute now the onions to make gravy. I added 4 cardamom and chili. We'll add onions. We'll have to saute this onion till it becomes golden brown in color. We'll add salt. And stir it, mix it well. Guys, remember we need to saute this onion till it becomes nice golden brown color. Guys, check this out. This is already golden brown now. Now I will put it on slow flame and we'll add masala to this now. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, dry. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon red chilli powder. And 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Mix this. Adding little bit of water. And now we'll add tomato, blended tomato, 3 tomato which I have blended and kept separate. Let this cook for a while. Guys, this gravy is almost ready now. I will add half a lemon juice just to give the sourness. And cilantro chopped, fresh coriander. Now I will add eggs to this. This I will keep it on simmer for at least 5 minutes and then our gravy will be ready. Guys, check this out, how delicious it is. Guys, check this out, this is ready now. I'm going to switch off the flame and trust me, this is the most delicious egg masala. Try this recipe at home and guys, you will love it. Guys, check this out. some sprigs of cilantro, fresh, and this is ready to be served now.